Hello, guys. This right here is a legendary 1956 original made in England Vox guitar amp. It's a it's a very rare edition because that year is an all vacuum, all tube preamp guitar amp. That year they decided to come out with an edition called the Top Boost edition. It's a very rare unit, made in England, and this is actually a very low serial number. We found this unit. This was originally a convoy comes in a cabinet with a speaker in it, but the cabinet was destroyed, and we're attempting to restore the unit to its former glory. Uh, and so far, so good. The unit wasn't that dirty and whatnot, but it did have all the pods were defective. So the original potentiometers look like this, but they don't make these anymore. I was able to find some stock, same values of these pods, and I'll be replacing some of them. Still have a long way to go, but the unit sounds amazing. So I was lucky enough to find the original circuit diagram for the unit to service the unit properly and to be able to troubleshoot the different values and whatnot. But hopefully, once this unit is done, we're going to do another video. We're going to let you guys see how it sounds. But it's an amazing, really an incredible unit. It's all vacuum. This is the Vox AC30. Phenomenal unit. So it was really impossible to get a 2 mega ohm replacement of this particular pod. So I kind of measured it, and the values are pretty consistent. So the wiper responds coherently, so we still get the 2 mega ohms that we need for this value. But this pot is old, and most likely it's dirty, so we use flux remover and contact cleaner, and we spray a little bit right here in the dipstick. This is highly flammable, but it works like a charm for this type of pot, so you can pretty much feel it grinding in there. So we let it rest for a few seconds so that it dries up, and we prep a little solder so that we can get it in this position. It's about this one controls the 2 mega ohms, controls the speed of the vibrato or the tremolo in the case of this guitar amp. So it should be good to go already. So let's see. Let's see. That's in there. Pretty good. That's pretty solid. So one down. This one controls the 2 mega ohms, controls the speed of the vibrato or the tremolo in the case of this guitar amp. So it should be good to go already. So let's see. Let's see. That's in there. Pretty good. That's pretty solid. So one down.